Hi everybody, David Lewis here. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you will know that one of the things that I teach, and I believe in very strongly, is that when a customer comes to the dealership, there are 3 defined goals we must accomplish in order to sell them a car. Number 1 is we've got to find a car that they love. Number 2, we've got to get them to like us as the salesperson. And number 3, we've got to get them to want to do business at our dealership. It's not about all the trial closes and about all the innuendos and getting them to nod their head yes 50 times throughout the sales process. Find a car they love, get them to like you, get them to want to do business at your dealership. Now, the third thing is getting them to want to do business at your dealership now becomes critical with a service walk. I'm amazed at how many dealerships either don't do a service walk or do it after the car is sold before the customer has to go into the F&I department. Me personally, I do the service walk after I'm done with my selection, my presentation, and demonstration. After I've done my walk around, when we're ready to walk into the dealership, my transition is, before we go inside, I'd like to show you something that we're very proud of here at the dealership. And I walk my customer through service. This presentation is 2, 3, 4 minutes long at best. It's what I call a walk and talk. I just walk them through service. I explain where they enter. I explain how our service advisor process works. I explain to them about our technicians, how long they've been here, their certifications. I show them the parts department and the customer lounge. It's a walk and talk. It gives them a reason to why they would want to do business at our dealership. It's very important and very critical to those 3 steps, which again are find a car they love, get them to like you, and get them to want to do business at your dealership. So please do your service walk as part of your presentation, because if the competitor is not, it gives you a bigger advantage over them. Good luck, everyone.